Alright, hey, Sergeant Locksmith here. Okay, customer provided some Schlage locks. They like rekeyed. I know some of you will be like, I don't do rekeys with customer provided locks. These are brand new. I know the situation, and this is going to be either, if you're a sole proprietor, these are decisions you're going to come across. Me, this job actually here was a word-of-mouth job that got to me, and it was going to pay off. This job here we're actually doing for this customer, and then on top of it, they'd like us to go do a commercial property they have. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this door handle on the Schlage. Put your key in, turn it sideways, and if you notice right here, you get that little flat retention. Push that in, knob pops off. Set that to the side. Now that you got it partially turned, I like to pull the key back out, because this is where we're going to have the fun part. If you notice down in here, it's spring loaded. But to get that out, if you can do this, you can take your flat tip or ice pick, whatever you're using, and you're going to push down inside there. You'll see the springs. Be careful not to just start pushing, because you'll rip the top off. And there we go, we've got it off. All right, easy. Now we'll go ahead and take the ring off. I know I'm using needle nose pliers to do this. I mean, my actual pliers, tweezers. Problem is, my tool I busted. So now we got that off. Go ahead, take the key. And this is for, you know, rekeying with the key already. Go ahead and turn it. Make sure you have a follower that has the indentation. Slide that bad boy on. Make sure you line it up. Now, sometimes I've ran into this where I'll have to put a shim in there. It just depends on if you want to run a shim or not. So this one I'm not going to have to. Then I also know some of you will turn around and reuse the pins. Hey, I understand reusing the pins, but this one here, I already know the pins that I need to use aren't enough in the lock. I'm not going to give out this gentleman's key code. That's why you'll see the pin kit's not in the full view. But some of you that have been doing this a while will recognize what pinning kit I'm using. But like I was saying before, this job here actually came to me from a referral from another individual I've done work for. The gentleman does live a distance out of town. I understand. I'm not complaining. I do charge accordingly for the rekey. Okay, so we've got it rekeyed. As you can see, your share line right here is all down. Let's go ahead and reassemble. Put it in. And after you get it back together, sometimes I automatically check it before I put the pin in, but that's why you see me put my finger right here. That way you don't get overzealous and pull it out. I'll pull the key out and I'll do it one more time. Now, this is brand new, wasn't master pinned. And with the Schlage, the top pins, all the pins in here are within the 200, the 0.2, so I don't need to change them out. So before everybody wants to start criticizing I did it wrong, just make sure you know what we're going about. Alright, got that back. Let's go ahead and reassemble. There's my tab. Like I said, turn around, you got your little tab right here. And then when you get there, push down, turn your key, and you'll hear it lock in. And now that I got it together, I like to run it through real quick to make sure it works. And I know I've had some of the people I work around make the comment, oh, you're using that, you're using that. Well, I'm using this for a lot of reasons. One, you can pick them up at Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, your Dollar General, whatever store you have around you, or you can find them at your hardware stores, any place that has your little $3.98 packs of tools. And when don't you always need a file. Now, I'm not using a file to pin down any pins or anything, but okay, got that out. Now we got the tool that actually goes down inside to do that. If not, ice pick works, hook tool works. It's whatever means that you find. And you also got to realize I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I'm gonna have a lot of just little stuff to help. So I got that out. Let's go ahead, turn it. Now if you're going to use the same one, be careful that you get it lined up. That's done. Take this, I'm using my fingers to put them in. Sometimes you can, but this being new and not dirty, this is the ideal job we want. Quick, easy, and you actually pick up the job while you're at another location. They drop it off to you. Now we don't go, I will specify, we did not go meet the customer to get the stuff. The customer actually came to us. So they didn't drop it off at the shop or anything. We were going to be in the area where they are at. They knew, because we were actually helping out one of their friends. So we'll go ahead and reassemble, put your spring back in the back. Now that the spring's in, we'll go ahead and nice thing with these is you can turn around and screw it on. If you use the back here and get it lined on top of it, it'll hold your pin down. If not, don't worry. And that one lined itself up, so I'll just turn around. Make sure your pin's set. Go ahead, operate the key. Tighten it one notch. That's a little too much. There we go. And turn around and put the deadbolt back together. Well, we're done. Just did the combo for this one. I've got one more lock to do. I don't think you guys want to watch me do it, but hey, thanks for watching. And also, we do have other videos up on how-tos and basic locksmithing. like I said, you've got two individuals that are contributing to this with over 50 years. We've got a lot of content, and we're gonna be putting a lot more out. We're not the best on quality and videos, but hey, this is all free. But if you do have any questions, comments, hey, go ahead and hit the like button. Let us know that you liked the video, it helped you. Leave a comment if there's something you'd like to see us do, or you can go ahead and subscribe. We'll even show you how to make different items, different tools, without having to spend money to do basic locksmithing. But thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Let's be safe out there. Go ahead and take a look at our other videos if you would.